Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech English channel. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about that how you can select the topic of your video. We have already talked about niche. Niche is basically the genre, the subject you are making your videos about. But choosing a topic of your video is really important, and that's what we are gonna talk about it in this video. Whenever you create any kind of content or a video, you put your hard work in that, right? So for example, you have chosen a topic and you create content on that, but that particular topic is not popular. Not many of the people want to see videos of that particular kind. That particular topic is not trending, right? So in that case, your hard work will go waste, right? So in order to avoid it, it's really important just to check out that what are the topics which are important and what topic you should choose while creating your content, right? So first of all, I'm gonna take help of YouTube, right? So YouTube is a great platform and it gives all the information for itself, right? So for example, your niche is related to food, or let's go something technical. For example, you want to create a video related to the marketing, right? So I'm gonna type something related to the marketing, right? Marketing strategies. So I have typed here marketing strategy, right? As you can see, there are some other related keywords to that. You can just think about them, and if you can just see that if you can make content on them. Because what are these? These are the things that people do search, right? Whenever we type marketing search strategy, right? So you can choose your topic like marketing strategy in Hindi or marketing strategy examples, marketing strategy presentation, or you can just choose particular these topics like marketing strategies for small business, marketing strategies for new product launch, or you can just go for marketing strategy for a restaurant. You can choose a particular type of business, right? And you can create the marketing strategy to that, right? From here, you will get some examples. Other than that, you can just type marketing and see what all results you get and what all suggestions you get. Like marketing strategies, management, marketing plan, marketing kaise kare. That is a Hindi keyword, right? So marketing movie, right? So let's talk about the food. For example, you are creating videos related to the food. So I'm gonna type here like food. Or you can see there are some related videos related to the food which people types in order to see these kind of videos, right? So we can say these topics are trending. So food marketing, food challenge, food. So many of the people create these kind of videos like food challenge, right? So you can just create a video on that, or food marketing tricks, food shorts you can create, or you can tell your audience some techniques to create food shots or food eating, food recipes, food ASMR, which is really popular nowadays on all the social media as well as on YouTube, right? So ASMR, you can create a video on food ASMR. You can just record your videos and the sound of that, and food vlogs you can make, food eating challenge, right? So these are the topics that are trending and you can choose your topic among them. So here I'm going to tell you a small secret or small tip which most of us don't know, right? So you can just type marketing and you can just add that particular current year into that, right? And you have to just put underscore in between them and you can see all the related keywords like marketing assignments 2021, marketing digital, all the hidden keywords get appeared, right? Just putting underscore between two keywords, right? For example, I'm going to type marketing and ideas and just go and put a underscore between them. All right. So as you can see, marketing business ideas, you can create a video on that, or marketing campaign ideas, marketing business ideas in Tamil, marketing video ideas, right? So this is a very small tip, but it can be really useful, right? So by using YouTube, you can just select your topic, right? And how to analyze. For example, you have a topic in mind, so you want to see whether this topic is trending or not, right? So you can just do one thing. So I believe that you have already installed the vidIQ, right? So if you haven't, then there would be a link in the description. Go and watch that video, because installing vidIQ extension is important if you're gonna take help from this from many of our videos, right? So just type like marketing. You want to create a video on digital marketing, right? So I'm gonna type here. So you search for digital marketing, and if you have installed the vidIQ, then there would be, you'll see the all the related information about this, right? That volume is comparatively high, but not very much high, but high. Competition is medium, right? So you can consider this particular topic while creating a video. and the other channels for search term you can see, and the top related opportunities, right? Like digital marketing course, you can make a video on that, or what is digital marketing tutorial. So you can create some related opportunities are there, right? So you can just explore these related opportunities and choose your content topic wisely, right? So you can just upgrade it to the pro, and if you want to, right? Otherwise the free version does nicely, right? So this is how, by using YouTube or with the help of YouTube, you can choose your particular topic, or you can just explore that which topic is trending, or the topic you are thinking to make a video about is trending or not, whether you should choose it or not, right? So just go explore, choose a topic and start creating amazing content, right? I'm here for you, will help you out. So because this particular video is a part of that series of course, right? So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe, because so that you don't miss a video. And if there's any question or suggestion, you can just comment down, and if this video was useful for you, then you can hit the like button. Thank you so much.